and welcome to Realize Your Art. This week is Hydrangea Week. It's a continuation of showing how you can bring hydrangeas and bring the beauty of hydrangeas from your yard and into your home. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you an alcohol ink that was inspired by the beauty of the hydrangeas of my yard, how I created it, and a step-by-step process. Let's get started. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. If you want to continue to get videos from Realize Your Art, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. And if you want to be notified when videos first release, hit the bell and you'll get that notification. All right, let's get to the alcohol inks. The alcohol ink you're going to be seeing today is the making of magical memories. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it was inspired by the hydrangeas in my yard and then the hydrangeas I could never grow. So with this, join me on the making of magical memories. All right, let's get to the process. There's 4 layers that I use in this process. First, the very light layer that started first with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol 91%, and then just putting some dilute ink, alcohol ink on it, and using a puffer or a straw, I blow it around to just give you that very, very delicate nature of the first layer. The second layer that I do is I use an angled brush, or some people know it as a striper brush or a dagger brush, and in honor of the leaves of spring and the growth in spring, I want to put that in as a layer as I start building on it. The third layer, I do the full strength alcohol ink and I dot it on there, let it dry, and in this case I use sailboat blue and gunmetal. And then what I do in various steps is I put dots of the alcohol, the isopropyl alcohol, and then blow out the details of the leaves, getting the kind of that feel or the depth that you get when you look at an actual hydrangea. And then in commemoration that I'd love to have the pinks turn to blue, I added a senorita magenta to some of the flowers just to give that additional color and again that love of a hydrangea. Again, what you'll see here is I'm putting some additional detail in with both the dagger brush, alternating it with a little bit more of the alcohol and the blowing technique. And then finally, after looking at it, I do the last step or the last layer, which is a gel pen, a white gel pen, and I go through and I add the detail to give it that final depth, that final feel that you see when you look deep into a hydrangea. So that's kind of the making of this alcohol ink piece. Now let's take a look at the detail a little closer up so that you can see those full 4 layers and how they look when they're finally complete. So as you can see, as I mentioned, that first layer you can see the light greens and the light aquas, with the layer done with the dagger brush with the darker leaves. And then finally the third layer where we use the full strength alcohol and we blew it out in terms of using the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol and the hand pump to make that detail, and again the final detail of the white gel ink pen. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching Making of Magical Memories as much as I enjoyed making it. It, again, is an opportunity to bring the beauty from your garden into your home.